awful. Clearly, Pin Valley wasn't chaos. What's the best thing to do when the employees are running around freaking out? Make them work. I wish I had a stronger arm and better aim, because I would hurl something at her right now. If you listened to I could see the straw sticking out, I would not be surprised. Like a little farmer. Aw, nerd.
Like, everyone wants to go mini golfing.
Are there... Oh, I thought you meant there were little people that wanted to go mini golf.
Yeah, they probably need it right now. They play at like 7.
Awesome.
Just because they have a minivan doesn't mean there's 7
No,
of them.
there are like 7.
There's
One in the back, one right in the middle,
three.
one in the front, so there's 6.
Just don't even get out. Just let them go look at the wood and be like, oh, guess what?
They're pulling out.
They're pulling out. They're not entirely stupid unless you straight make her mad.
Nope.
It's a good thing there's no other cars in the parking lot, though. We have insurance problems. Wow.
I don't know, most people that come by are like, oh, yeah, I thought it was not, like, they were like, they're trying to call or something. One guy called and then two girls just like in the garage, like, are you open? And I was like, we're open for daddy cages and food. She's like, not many golf, just no. Like, oh.
Just like that.
She's like, oh my.
Oh my! Oh dear. Oh, lovely. That was the British when you called. Sudden? Oh dear, you're fucking sudden.
Lovely.
Lovely. How good if I'm sweet? Oh dear, it's awful. Have a happy process.
I feel like,
Frank goes, good job, girls. Way to not panic and start to play heads with this stuff. Look at, we have more potential golfers. We're looking at the one. I'm going to stop their voices.
I know,
Daddy, it's close. Hey, look at that. I'm trying to see. And now, okay, it looks close. Maybe if I stare at these girls, they'll tell me it's close. What do you think?
I don't know.
Should we get out? We probably is talking 100 miles an hour.
Is that?
I don't know. Let me just call them. Okay, I'm calling right now.
It's outdoor miniature golf. It's not open right now because the course is flooded. I'm not sure if we're going to be opening later. Yeah, I'm not sure though.
How many days to go?
It's $6 for adults and $4 for children and seniors. Alright? Okay, bye.
What? Look at. They really can't decide what they're going to do. And actually, that whole time I was stuffing a man, I think the driver is a woman.
And someone else is pulling in.
Oh, this is definitely a woman. This was the winner. Mommy, I want to go. Mommy, let me out. Mommy. Mom's the door stuff. Mommy, let the door. Here, I'll get it for you, Mommy. Calm down. Did you take your medicine today? Okay. Here we go. My bandana is the shit. Oh, look, more golfers to join them. I'm going to roll the window up for you. I'm a big boy.